How to change language on Spotify. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to change language in Spotify. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the preferred browser on your device and on the web address bar, type in spotify.com. Then press enter on the keyboard and then you'll be taken to the official home feed of Spotify, where you can click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen and easily log in on your Spotify account. You can also continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Once you have entered the email and the password, you can click on the login button and easily get access to the Spotify account. Once you have done that, you need to simply click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings option. You don't need to scroll all the way down or do nothing because the language settings is at the top of the screen. When you click on this small arrow on this drop down menu box, you will get multiple languages here. So according to your preference, you can easily set to any language of your choice. So once you have done that, your language on Spotify will be easily changed. So that's how we change language on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, send a like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.